Khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Palat apu Klur ketena District Council Affair jangka Sorkar jela kan Pynlong nak bentaban Pynlong yaki Elekshon syaka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council berkejantia Hills Autonomous District Council ben selong hak apu itu urempang arajar pausan. Hal pentip yakni hagas ngi baar ka South Rik urempang arajar pausan u Commissioner Secretary u kemi ketena District Council Affair u basir dingdo ulihat ho bagajin Pynlut yakan gepisa ke pair nak ke district syakwe part ke district Bagi thoru baman laki Deputy Commissioner kin haban ajing ken shon pelat ya kapisa. Ulay thu ba Chief Secretary ka jela ba DP Walang belum ni ka jingalang perkhatkam ban penkre ekinik election bat bero ki Deputy Commissioner bagi Sub Divisional Officer. Hakabede part bagi bor pahara u Commissioner Secretary ulaong bayagi bor pulen on sawan rakno na Western Range ni Rilum Garo ban penklan ni ka jing pahara kat badang don ke election Rilum Khasi Janja Niki Eastern Range.
We're fully prepared. In fact, a review meeting was held last Friday itself, on Monday, by the respective Chief Secretary with all the DCs and the sub-divisional officers concerned on various preparations. As you know, the DC is just the overall supervising department. The election is conducted by the Deputy Commissioners and the ROs in the districts and subdivisions. So all have expressed confidence that they're fully geared up and prepared to conduct the elections. Police, the DCs are closely working with the SPs of the districts concerned, and the police have briefed that they will be taking additional manpower from the Western Range, that is from the Garo Hills region, to bolster the forces that are required for the polling in the Eastern Range, in the Khasi and Jhadc Hills districts. So that is that preparation is on. Here I don't have as of now, but I'll share with you. We'll get it from the police and how many additional forces they're taking from the Western Range. But that's what they briefed us in that meeting. So they will be taking some forces from the Western Range to bolster the police force in the Eastern Range for the purpose of election specifically. Those details are with the DCs and the ROs concerned, because this is a dynamic thing, right? In terms of inputs received or apprehension of any breach of model code of conduct. So these inputs will be with the Deputy Commissioners and the SPs concerned, if at all, and they will take the necessary steps to ensure compliance of the model code of conduct. So the DCs do a continuous assessment of if there are any inputs based on vulnerability or critical booths. That information the DCs share with the police, and there's a strict protocol that is maintained how they do this assessment. And based on that, they take action as to bolster the force or do other such arrangements so that there is no problem in the election. And obviously, the DCs take into consideration all the important stakeholders, including the political parties, the local headman, and others are taken into confidence so that all the stakeholders are aware and everyone cooperates to ensure a free and fair election. Yeah, so everything is in the model code of conduct. If there are any instances, the police and the DCs have the mechanism to check, and if required, they will do the seizures as per to ensure free and fair conduct of elections. It differs from district to district. There are different heads under which the expenditure is made, from honorarium being paid to other things. So it differs from district to district. Certain things are uniform, like honorarium paid to polling parties and other things. And obviously, depends on the number of polling stations and the number of constituencies and the requirement of the district in particular. So each DC makes an assessment and accordingly we release the funds. Clarified that there are some localities which have decided to have a common platform. So be it, they are permitted to have a common platform because in that common platform they are giving equal chance to all political parties, including independent contesting candidates, to come to the common platform and conduct a public meeting. Right? No one is denied. Right? No political party or no contesting candidate is denied to have the meeting in a common platform. For that, we have clarified that yes, if that's a decision of the particular locality, we respect that decision. It is permitted, and you can go ahead. The complaint was that in certain localities, perhaps certain parties or political parties are not given the permission. So we have issued an instruction to deputy commissioners to talk to the headman and to all the localities, saying that in the interest of free and fair elections, all political parties, including independent candidates, should be given the chance to campaign, of course, after taking due permission.
So you mean not
Yes, if they decide that they will have only common platform and that is the forum where they want to have for a meeting, yes, correct. Then it becomes a common platform. If they decide that they don't want to have any other meeting apart from the common platform, that is permitted, is what we're saying. We have no problem, because the principle is that they have given an equal chance to all political parties and contesting candidates to take part in that common platform. That should be respected, so that everyone gets a fair chance to address the public. No, not to my notice. If they are filed directly first with the RO. As per our model code of conduct, the complaint has to be addressed by the RO concerned. If at all the RO or the deputy commissioner is not able to, take a decision, then it may be referred to the District Council Affairs Department. But these are handled at the level of RO. We expect all stakeholders to cooperate and coordinate so that there's free and fair elections and peaceful elections, importantly, as has been the tradition in the state of Meghalaya. We are always used to having peaceful elections with the cooperation of all political parties, all candidates, the district administration, the police, the headman, all the stakeholders. So I'm sure that even this time we are moving towards that direction to have a peaceful election. Everything in terms of meetings is guided by this model code of conduct for the guidance of political parties and candidates during the elections to the district council, issued in 2025. There's this book that has been circulated to all the political parties, and for any public meeting, permission of the deputy commissioner or the SDO civil is required for any meeting, procession, rally, etc. So I'm sure that all are conforming to this instruction. I am not aware of. I am sure if at all, it would have been brought to the notice of the DC or the RO concerned. Like I said, they are the first point of contact in terms of resolving these issues or these disputes that arise or violations of MCC. If at all they are not able to solve it at their level, they refer to the DCA department. But as of now, it has not come to my notice.
Kapor kala day bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi shaka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ke ei ka thong ka bakidon ki ei kiman ki bakong san ki bakibu hakman kita ki jingkeli ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpuoi tarik urampang arajar arpsa baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong